Well, now coming back to the navigation and the image slider, we have some ready-made plugins of Bootstrap which we can directly implement. For example, for navigation, we should be responsive. This is occupying 12 column width for desktop tab, but for mobile it is a little bit different. For this Bootstrap plugin, there is one more good site, that is tutorials point Bootstrap Plugins. If we go to tutorials point Bootstrap Plugins, under the section Bootstrap Plugins and Bootstrap components, you will see a lot of things which we mostly need in designing a website. Navbar or drop down plugin, Carousel is the image slider, collapse or similar to accordion panel, tab plugin. This is navbar. If you click on navbar, it will open the code. Here you can try it. This is similar to W3 schools, where you can check the HTML code. So this is the responsive navigation, and this is the code for the navigation. You can copy it from this nav and paste it in your site. The thing is that these files should be attached in a similar sequence. The sequence which we created at first is okay for that. Similarly, even if you go to the Carousel plugin, this is the Carousel plugin or the image slider. You can click on try it. And it will show the image slider. Now, if you have designed the layout in Photoshop and if you are clear with the resolutions, it is better you create different compositions or slides or images in Photoshop for the image slider, so that all the images are of the same size. And for this, you can simply copy the code and paste it inside the div. You can simply copy this entire code, go to your code, and this section 1, I think not section 1, this header was supposed to be the place for image slider. Inside that we have written h1. Later on we can hide it, and here you can paste the entire code. I will undo it and simply write paste the code here. Now, as far as h1 is concerned, we need to write this inside header so that search engine can read it, but we don't want to display it on our website. So in CSS you can give a property you can write text dash indent colon minus 999 px. That means it will take the text out of the browser somewhere else.